In this video, I will show you how to set up Sapphire bot welcome message. So friends, go to Discord, go to Sapphire, this website, and then click add to Discord. After that, guys, all you have to do, this is the Discord. Select your Discord you want to add, for example this one, click continue, and then click authorize. After that, friends, all you have to do, just wait to see this page, click login with Discord. After that, friends, you see this is the Discord server here, as you can see here, and click authorize option. After that, friends, just wait to see these features, and then, guys, all you have to do, go back to the Discord, go to the Discord. After going to the Discord, select your the Discord was added, the server added, this is the test. After that, guys, make sure this is added successfully. Create a new channel and set up your channel, welcome channel, for example this one, click create a channel. After that, go back this website, and from here click customize, or this one, welcome, go to the welcome message from here, and then all you have to do, click join message, and you can add a new message here, for example, thank you, thank you, for example, for joining, and then click this icon on the server, and then continue. After that, you can add it also new things like general things, continue. You can add a style, edit, you can embed image from here, you can add title, anything, and click save change. This is how you can do, guys. It is simple steps. I hope this video helpful.